Hello, you motorcycle enthusiasts. In addition to the disassembly and assembly videos you're already familiar with, here's a short video series that will give you a closer look at the contents of Keyster repair kits. I'll show you what's inside and what it's used for. All right, on the table today, we've got the carburetor repair kit for the Suzuki LS650. Let's get started. What we have here is a brand new idle mixture screw, complete with all the necessary components. I've laid them out exactly as they'll be installed. There's the idle mixture screw itself, then the small spring sits on top, followed by the tiny washer, and finally the small O-ring. Next up is the new float needle valve assembly, which includes the valve seat and the float needle. You'll also see this small screw here. This is important because the valve seat is held in place by a small fitting, and you'll need this screw to secure it. Moving on, we've got a new main jet along with the brass ring that fits underneath it, an idle jet, and the small air jet that sits up top under the diaphragm. Also included is the nozzle holder for the main jet and the part throttle needle with its matching clip. And of course, the gasket for the float bowl cover is here as well. A smart add-on is the air cutoff valve set. If you're already overhauling the carb, it really makes sense to replace this at the same time. And that should pretty much wrap it up. And like I've said before, if you're going to go through the whole trouble of taking one of these carbs apart, you might as well go ahead and get some of these parts replaced and make sure that the carburetor lasts for as long as possible before its next cleaning. Yes, friends, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. We appreciate your support through subscriptions and wish you lots of fun while working on your projects. Until the next video, ciao.